Affiliate tracking versus partner management platforms. Which one is better for channel sales? Channel sales can accelerate revenue, but most companies get this wrong. They assume affiliate tracking and partner management platforms are the same. The surprising truth is, each serves a different purpose in managing indirect sales. Affiliate tracking platforms, like Impact or PartnerStack, focus on tracking and attributing sales to individual affiliates. They handle commissions, clicks, conversions, and payouts, providing transparency for both merchants and affiliates. For example, an online retailer can see which affiliate drove the most sales last month and reward them accurately. These tools are ideal for performance-based marketing and managing large networks of independent promoters. Partner management platforms, on the other hand, manage broader relationships with resellers, distributors, and strategic partners. Tools like Alband or Zift Solutions handle onboarding, training, deal registration, and co-marketing initiatives. For instance, a software company can provide partners with sales enablement content, track deal progress, and ensure alignment with corporate goals. These platforms focus on nurturing relationships and driving long-term growth. The key difference is transaction versus relationship. Affiliate tracking measures performance and ensures accurate payouts, while partner management focuses on building and scaling partnerships strategically. Using only one limits effectiveness. Tracking affiliates alone may miss opportunities for strategic growth, while partner management without performance tracking can lead to misaligned incentives. In conclusion, the most effective channel sales strategy combines both. Use affiliate tracking for accurate performance measurement and partner management for relationship building and strategic growth. Together, they maximize revenue while strengthening your channel ecosystem.